Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our today's class. I am again with you, your science teacher Saida Sultana. This is our second class on chapter 12. Today I am with some new topics. These are Earth's surface, how do rivers create, the internal formation of the Earth, plate tectonic theory, causes of mountain rise, causes of volcanic eruption, and causes of earthquake. In our last video, you got the concept of Big Bang theory about the origin of universe and the Earth, and also you got the information about Earth's atmosphere. Now, I will talk about the surface of Earth. We stay on the surface of the Earth. Above the Earth's surface, atmosphere is present, and below the surface, its interior portion lies. The 3/4 portion of the Earth's surface is covered by water, and only 1/4 is covered by dust particles or stone chips or soils. Look at the picture. This picture shows you the blue portion means the watery surface and the ash portion means land surface. Most parts of the Earth's surface are occupied by seas and oceans. Lakes, rivers, canals, etc. are also present there. There are 5 oceans in the Earth's surface. The names of them are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the North Ocean, South Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. Now I will discuss about the how do rivers create. This is a picture of island of the Earth's surface, the mountain area. Most rivers start life as a tiny stream running down a mountain slope. A huge amount of ice accumulates on the top of this mountain range. When this ice melts, water comes down alongside the mountain and a narrow river is created. This narrow small river met and joined together, growing large and larger. And most rivers empty out into a sea. This picture will clear this concept to you. This is the top of the mountain. This is the top of the mountain. From here, melted ice comes down alongside the mountain and a narrow river is created. These narrow rivers empty out into the sea. Next topic is the internal formation of the Earth. The geologists have divided the interior structure of the Earth into 3 layers. 1. Lithosphere, 2. Mantle, and 3. Stratosphere or core. This picture will show the different layers of the Earth in Earth's interior. The outermost layer is lithosphere. The orange color middle zone is mantle. The third zone is inner core and outer core, and the white color circle is inner core of the Earth. It is very important to learn about the composition of these layers. The Earth is made up of what materials and what elements, it is important to know. Let's go for learning about the lithosphere. Below the Earth's surface lies the solid layer covering the interior portion of the Earth known as lithosphere. The lithosphere may spread up to 100 kilometers below the Earth's surface. The upper portion of lithosphere is known as Earth crust. The 3/4 portion of the Earth crust is covered by water and only 1/4 is covered by dust particles or soil. The lithosphere is divided into many separated plates, which are known as tectonic plates. These plates are moving plates. The mentionable elements of the lithosphere are oxygen, silicon, aluminium, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, etc., which are very important essential minerals for life, for living organisms. So, lithosphere has a great importance for living beings on the Earth's surface. Next is mantle. In the middle of lithosphere and centrosphere, mantle zone is present. This picture shows you the cross-section of Earth's interiors. Major portion of mantle is solid, but some portion of it is semi-liquid or half-melted state because of the high temperature of this layer. Melted lava springs out by volcanic eruption from the mantle zone. It contains heavy metals like silicon and magnesium. Next one is centrosphere or core. The spherical layer of about 3500 kilometers radius from the center of the Earth is the centrosphere or core. The core is composed of some heavy metals like nickel, iron, lead, etc. The centrosphere or core is divided into two parts: a liquid outer core composed of melted metals. Extremely high temperature melts the metal into the liquid form in this layer, and a solid inner core composed of solid metal. The solid inner core, just like the liquid outer core, has high temperature, but extremely high pressure keeps the metal solid in that layer. Next we go for plate tectonic theory. The ground beneath our feet is always moving. We don't feel this, but we can see the results of the movement almost everywhere. This movement of Earth's surface and its results, such as volcanic eruption, mountain rise, and earthquake, etc., can be explained by a theory, which is known as plate tectonic theory. This widely accepted theory dealing with the dynamics of Earth's surface. The basic conceptions of this theory is based on the findings. The lithosphere below the Earth is separated into many portions or parts. These are called tectonic plates. These plates are plotting condition over a region of mantle zone. These plates fit together like a zigzag puzzle. Look at the picture. This picture shows you the different plates of the Earth's surface. There are 17 Earth plates in our Earth's surface. These plates are displaced by few centimeters per year toward any direction and interact along their boundaries. Even sometimes plates move up or down by few millimeters per year. Sometimes these plates move away from one another or diverge, causing continents to fracture or oceans to form. Plate motion causes mountains to rise, where plates come close to one another or converge, and these mountain and high hill areas become more prone to earthquake and volcanoes. When continental tectonic plates collide, the rock ground rock above the boundaries can pile up and create huge mountains range. Now, the causes of volcanic eruption. Look at the picture. When the tectonic plates collide or strike one another, one plate pushes away itself under the another plate, and then huge heat is produced, and the metals inside the earth get melted due to this excessive heat. These melted rocks are called magma. This magma is squeezed up between two plates due to high internal pressure. Here you can see in this picture two tectonic plates movement. One tectonic plate pushes away itself under another plate, and that's why magma is squeezed up between two plates due to high internal pressure of the interior portion of Earth. Look at these two pictures. Volcanoes also form when there is stretching of Earth's surface. When plates spread apart, lava flows up to and causes a volcanic eruption. This is a picture of a real image of volcanic eruption. We get the real idea from this. These hotted liquids is called magma. Now, next for causes of earthquake. When the moving tectonic plates are sliding past one another in opposite direction. Look at the picture. Here, rectangular, we can see the two rectangular shape slab. One sliding past one another in opposite direction. When they sliding past one another in opposite direction, they put big pressure on the slide rock of Earth's surface. Then the Earth is shaken strongly, and the Earth's surface feels strong vibration. This is called earthquake. After earthquake, these plates starts moving again very slowly until they get stuck together again in future. This is the end of our discussion. Here, there are some important questions related to the discussed topics. I hope after seeing the videos, you can easily solve this. Keep watching our next lecture videos and keep practicing the problems related to our discussed topics. Assalamu alaikum to all.